What's good, YouTube? Driller running up with another trading video. And today we're going to talk about lower time frame entries and how I enter on a lower time frame. All right, like I told you guys, I am a swinger. I do start off on a monthly time frame, but I'm gonna show you guys an easy way to identify what's going to go on, like on a 4-hour time frame or 1 hour the daily time frame. All right, so as you can see right here on the 4 hour, right now you can see prices going down, as in prices been bearish, as in prices been selling. All right, so what I would do is I will mark up my last lower point right here, which is this point right here. And this is on the 4-hour time frame, aka the daily too. So this is my lowest point on the 4-hour, and this is my highest point. So as you can see, we got a massive push down, which is imbalance, like I said. Imbalance, which is price shot down hard without no retracements, and we got another area right here. So this is what I would do. I'll put an area right here, because I know once price break this area, then price is going to target these highs right here. So this is what I would do. Wait for price to break that area, and then my next take profit will be right here for intraday. I will call this intraday because this is the 4-hour. Get in on a daily time frame, and then we'll take it to the 4-hour zone. So these are 4-hour zones, and I'm gonna show you how I will enter on the smaller time frame. All right, so now that I have my zones, the lowest point, the highest point, and the enter and get out zones. All right, so I'll go to the 1-hour time frame. All right, as you can see, price is already shooting up. So I would wait on me a small retracement. Whoever got in right here, they doing great because as you can see, imbalance. So price is going to target this area right here. So I need to scale down to see where I want to enter at. I need to find me a slight pullback. All right, so what I would do is I'll turn my MAs on. So what I see happening is price coming to tap my MA, and I'm gonna show you guys how to correlate MA work too. So I want to see price tap my MA work. I'm sorry, I want to see price tap my MA and then come down for a retest, and I will get in. So once price was to hit this area, of course price will sell because this is the moving average right here. It will come down and it may want to retest my blue moving average. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to correlate moving averages and how I trade moving averages. They are massive indicators that improve my trading as well. And see, look, now you can see this is the next spot where price want to hit. It want to hit here. So once price hit here, it's going to come down and then it may want to explode up and then break and retest this area. So this is what I can see happening. Price is going to shoot up, shoot here, then come down. Then it may want to break this area, then come down for a retest, and then first TP will be right here. And notice, this just come off the 4-hour time frame. The only thing I did, I went to the 4-hour, I found the most lowest point, and I found the most highest point here. And then once it break and resets this area, I can see price going to fill this imbalance, which is up here. And that's all I do. I would just find the lowest and highest point and identify imbalance or supply and demand areas. So all we do is just wait. And as you can see, this is the most recent lowest point because as you can see, look what happened right here. Price just played this zone until it came up, eventually broke through. So I can see price come back and hit this area, then maybe come down for a retest before getting in buys. But NAS 100, it shot down hard. So the reason why I'm looking for a buy NAS 100 because I see major imbalance. So if we just had this part of the screen and we know price shot down hard with nothing on this side, this is left price. So you know they have to come back and grab these orders right here. So now it's just a patient game. Wait till price hit this area right here. It's going to sell, then come down for resets. And same thing for I go to EU. I don't trade EU, but what I see on EU, EU was the trade I called on my last video I dropped. The one I dropped before the news, I was saying I wasn't getting EU buy. So this is how EU going. I'm going to make a whole different video once EU smack TP. I told you guys it's going to respect this area and it's going to go up. So that's what's going on for EU. So we're going to go to US 30, just some little lower time frame work, what's going on, lower time frame work. Same thing for US 30. US 30 is building up support right now. It's failing to go lower. As you can see, Building up support mean this right here, as in prices failing to go low. So as you can see, prices easing its way up with these couple of blue candles. And same thing, price shot down hard right here, and it needs some retracement. So I can see price eventually come to this area, breaking retest. Once it break and retest this area, and I can see price coming hit this area. But the higher time frame and lower time frame, it do the same exact thing. So whether I'm on a weekly time frame or monthly time frame, you can still get the same, not the same exact zones, but look for the same exact thing, like imbalance, liquidity, supply and demand, you know, support or resistance, whatever you use. DSY. Now, as you can see, price is playing right now, which is what? Failing to go higher. So when prices failing to go higher, price is going to go lower. Same thing. If price failing to go lower, it's going to go higher. It's for us, it's so simple. But this video is really not nothing major. Just I'm gonna show you guys one more pair on how I trade on the smaller time frames. Real easy, real simple. What pair I want to do? USD CAD, EU, EJ. I'll try EJ for you guys. Fresh markup on EJ. All right, so we're on the 4-hour time frame. What can we see? What I see is prices has been buying hard. So I will get the highest point, which is right here. And the lowest point, which will be right here. So now I see prices buying hard. So what I need to go to the higher time frame to see where is the next stop for price. That's what I need to see. Okay. So the next stop for price could be right here. So now we'll go down to the weekly time frame. Yes, I use the weekly and the monthly time frame to see where is price going to go. Because at this point, I can see some little indecisive going on, as in the price it don't know where it want to go yet. So that's why I go to the higher time frame to get a clear vision on where I want to go at. So as you can see, now that I do that, look what I see, guys. Look what I see. If we just had this, what this is. This is supply area. And look how prices just respected so clean. Supply area, so price maybe want to come down some before getting into buys. And then once it come down for retest, we're gonna get in buys right here. And then we're gonna take it to these highs. Because why? This area came from the higher time frame. So now I will go all the way down to the 4-hour for one. And as you can see, what's going on? Price is failing to go higher, so it's gonna go lower. 1-hour time frame, we getting ready to take entries right now. We getting entries right now. Yep, I will get in a sale right now. Swing trade, put my stocks above these highs, and I'll take it to these lows right here just for a little pullback. Yep. And notice what I did. I went to the higher time frame to get my zones, but I'm on a 1-hour time frame right now entering. You know, like I said, I go to the higher time frame for my zones and just scale down the entry. And this is how I swing. So right now we in the sale. And look, prices it's going down right now. Let's go to 30 minutes. Oh yeah, that's lovely. I like this trade. I like this trade. Yeah, that's all, guys. That's all I do. Smaller time frame work. I still fluctuate with the higher time frame, but I go to the smaller time frame to enter my trades. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna get into some more videos, guys. Peace.